Buju genoa birasige indayama nungum indayan niswe oshke ekadowanan nungum. Dudan oshke ekadowanan. These are some doing phrases that you can find for jobs that you do in specific places. Aha. Ingo oshke ekadowanan iyo. Gikinoo'amaage. 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 Ich bin gigiwabandan iyo. Mazinaigan gigiwabanan iyo. Ich bin gigiwabanani wabandan duman iyo mazinaigan kita ekador gikinoo'amaage. Waywaniadan. Gikinoo'amaage. Ginatam waywaniadan. Mi goyak. How it done. Gikinoo'amaage. Ginatam. It done. Mi goyak. Gimekwenda ich bin gigiwabanan iyo. Ikadoda iyo gikinoo'amaage. Gikinoo'amaage. How. Bababi ginda. Gikinoo'amaage. Ginatam. Bababi ginda. Mi goyak onishishin iyo. Gikinoo'amaage iyo. How. Ni is oshke kadowanan nungum. Oma aya. Iyo. Agindamaage. 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 How. Agindamaage iyo. Kiwi waywaniya dan iyo. Agindamaage. Ginatam waywaniya dan. Mi goyak. How it done? Agindamaage. Ginatam it done. Mi goyak. Bababi ginda. Agindamaage. Ginatam. Bababi ginda. Mi goyak. Kamina tago aseyo. Agindamaage yo. Ich bin gigiwabanani yo mazana kizon. Ne mazana kizon. Kita kidod. Agindamaage. Okay, good. Niso oshke kidowanan nungum. Niso oshke kidowanan iyo. Jiibaakwe. 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 Ich bin gigiwabanan iyo ne masana kizon iyo. Kita ekadod jiibaakwe. Waywaniya dan iyo. Jiibaakwe. Ginatam waywaniya dan. Mi goyak onishishin. How it done? Jiibaakwe. Ginatam. Onishishin. Bababi ginda. Jiibaakwe. Ginatam. Bababi ginda. Mi goyak onishishin. Gamino tacos kinwa. Oshke kidowanan nungum. So these words, these are eno kid. These are onion de enoki. These are where people, these are dudan, these are things, doing things that people do when they work. So this is gikinoo'amaage. You can gikinoo'amaage ema gikinoo'amaadi wigamig. You teach at a school. I'yu, our second word, agindamaage. This is she or he counts or reads for people. And you can do this at an agindasu wigamig, at a library. So she or he reads or counts at a library. All right, niso oshke kidowanan. Third word for today, jiibaakwe. This one you can jiibaakwe ema wisani wigamigo. You cook at a restaurant. The person who works at a restaurant, they cook at a restaurant. Miomanek nungum. So these are action words that you can find in places of people's jobs. We have jiibaakwe wigamig or jiibaakwe, agindamaage i'yu, minowa gikinoo'amaage. Miomanek nungum, miigwich bizindawian, gigawabnin waiba.